One of the treatment options that we had discussed was the BBL or the photofacial, which has always been one of my favorite laser facials that we offer at Empire Eye and Laser Center. And the reason is because it is a quick procedure. It's about 10-15 minutes. There's no downtime. You can immediately apply your makeup immediately after, and in like 5 to 7 days you have this beautiful glowing skin. And I have always loved it. And I definitely have some pigment from, not using adequate sunscreen and reapplying in my younger years when I used to play sports outside. I definitely didn't take the care that I should have back then to be able to protect my skin. And while I take the care now, I still have that pigment that has come up over as we age, it starts coming to the surface. And I definitely noticed it even more when I had children, when I was pregnant, and some of it lightened after I had them, but some of it stayed. And so it was definitely one of my goals was to address that pigment. I wanted to feel comfortable even without makeup. I wanted to, not look tired. I didn't want to look, like my skin is aging too terribly quickly. So that was definitely something that I wanted to do and get that BBL. And what was fabulous about that is I didn't have to really wait to get that facial. We were able to do that facial even when I was nursing. I just wasn't able to numb the surface, which I don't typically numb when I get a photofacial. The best thing I can describe about having a photofacial, how it feels, is it's almost like a rubber band snapping when they actually do the pulse. That's how it kind of feels, but it's not anything that is not tolerable, and it's pretty easy, at least for me, to get through, and I always love the results. So even to me, even if it's a slightly uncomfortable, it's definitely worth it in the end. And it's such a quick procedure that before you know it, it's already over. And so I've really enjoyed that one, and that was one that I was able to really do right away and not have to really wait for any other plan or any other treatment in order to do that particular facial. And it's one I love to repeat every 6 months. And of course I didn't have it while I was pregnant, so I had quite a while, about a year, a little more than a year, since I had my last one, and I definitely had that pigment coming up again. But it was nice to be able to have that done and just feel like I had that glowing skin look back that I really enjoyed having, and that also gave me that little bit of confidence after immediately having my second son that I really needed and wanted, and that is definitely one of my favorite treatments to do. Non-surgical mommy makeovers are now available at Empire Eye and Laser Center. You can check them out at empireeyeandlaser.com. There are already pre-built packages, as well as custom packages can be built for those and their individual needs. Consultations are free, so if you're interested in even having a discussion about it, come in, see Melanie, see La, see Rachel, see one of our amazing aesthetic team, and they can really get a plan set for you and get you the goals that you want to achieve. Don't forget to follow us on social media as well at Empire Eye and Laser Center for Instagram and Facebook. I look forward to seeing you all in a few months to see the completion of my journey.